Okay, the movie's going, right? It's recording. Okay. Oh wow, this is simple. You guys do something.
Say something.
Be back around or something.
Tell a joke.
What's a chicken casserole?
Take it to the other side.
Because
Why the chicken? I know why the chicken cross the road.
She always says that.
Do you know why the chicken crossed the road?
Does it want to get on the other side?
He wanted to prove to the possum it could be done.
Oh.
what's
There's so many
the
different
chicken the toilet?
Well, the best one I ever heard was how many psychologists does it take to change a light bulb?
What's the chicken with the
5?
toilet?
Only one if the light bulb wants to be changed.
Oh yeah. That's a good one.
That's a good. Only if the light bulb wants to be changed.
I think I heard that.
Yeah, I heard it just the other day.
Alright, Troy, how do you stop it if you're done
Push the button
recording?
again.